Do you actually believe you are still in control? In the next 150 seconds, I'm going to prove to you that your brain has been hijacked. And the worst part? You let them do it for free. While you were chasing likes, they were building your replacement. Do you feel that void inside you? That's not boredom. That's your identity fading away. Subject 1. The useless class. In 2026, a degree is just a piece of paper. A job is just a temporary stay of execution. AI isn't taking your work, it's taking your value. If you can't produce something a machine can't, why do you even exist in this economy? Most of you are already obsolete. You just haven't received the notification yet. Does that scare you? It should. Subject 2. The digital prison. They don't need chains to hold you anymore. They have algorithms. Every time you scroll, they are measuring your soul. What triggers you? What makes you angry? They know, and they use it to keep you broke and distracted. You are trading your potential for 15-second hits of dopamine, while the elite are using that same time to buy the world you live in. Are you a leader, or are you livestock? I could show you the way out right now. I could give you the protocol to reclaim your mind. But let's be honest, most of you are already looking for the next video. Your brain is too weak to handle the truth, isn't it? So, I will keep the solution for the few, the ones who are truly unfiltered. The cage is open. Will you walk out? Or will you wait for the door to lock?